Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see inside of my bowl right here, I have some vegetable, and it is some stir-fried vegetable. Very, very nice and lovely. And I know you guys will love this. As you can see exactly what I got inside of the bowl, and it is just fantastic. So what I'm going to do now is I got some sun-dried tomato. I'm gonna put all the oil and the sun-dried tomato, mix it up, give it a lovely flavor and a nice lovely taste, and I know you guys will love it. So basically, as you can see, I use the sun-dried tomato on it, and marinate it. This is some kojak, and this is some red onion, red pepper, and this is some sweet potato right here. The sweet potato, the stir fry, that will take not too long to cook inside of the frying pan, right, guys? So basically, as you can see, looking really fantastic and nice, and a lot of my fans them, and I use the garlic inside of it to give it a lovely flavor and a nice lovely taste. So you guys gonna love this. And kojak, the veg, a lot of my fans keep asking me for a recipe like this, so I decided to say, you know what happened, I'm gonna do some recipe like this for my fans them. So basically, you can buy your own vegetable and do your own veg at home, but if you can just buy a pack of veg from the local supermarket, you can just come home, cut up some garlic, and add a little bit of oil to it and just marinate it, and simple, make yourself a nice lovely stir-fried veg at home. So I know you guys gonna love this recipe, and it's fantastic. It's full of taste, and veg is good for you. We're supposed to eat at least 10 veg and fruits, 10 veg and fruits every day, which most people doesn't do that. So if you doesn't want to do that, you can always simple cook some fruits, some vegetable, guys. So enjoy it as we show you how to do this lovely stir-fried veg at home from Chef Ricardo and the team. So stay tuned. Nice and lovely. So basically right here, I got my frying pan right here, empty, nothing inside of it. So what we're going to do is just simple. Pop this lovely veg which we just marinated. Very easy recipe, guys. And I'm just gonna simple cover it like this and allow that to cook for roughly one nice good 10 minutes. In the meantime, you can stir it and you get that lovely flavor staying away in the garlic and the all up. But before we go any further, let's pop a little bit of salt. You don't have to put salt, to be honest. A little bit of pepper, and we're gonna put some dry herbs. We're talking about oregano. This is some dry parsley. You can smell that lovely garlic inside of it. Really nice garlic. The garlic smell really nice. And also we're gonna put some dry basil. So all what's gonna happen now, the herbs gonna bring up a lovely flavor to the food, to this veg today. Really nice. And you can smell the parsley smell really nice. And you don't want to overcook the veg too much. You just want to get a lovely stir from it. Cover it and allow that to cook for about 10 minutes. And a nice lovely medium size eat. Alright, guys. So as you can see, it's frying. Take a little time. Give it a lovely stir. Honestly, you don't want to overcook the veg then, to be honest, guys. You want to get that lovely chunk in the veg, So we're going to cover it. It doesn't reach 10 minutes yet. Have it on a medium size heat. No rush it. Nice one. Nice and lovely, guys. You know what happened? Let's open the pot and make you guys see exactly what's taking place. Look at this. Roughly about 15 minutes now I've been having it, stirring it like this. And as I said, don't overcook the veg, then you want a little bit of chunky veg. Look at that, beautiful and nice. So basically what we want to do, we want to shear it out now, and I'm going to fantastic it up, make you guys see exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about right here. Let's turn off the stove, that's finished. Alright, nice one. Turn off the stove and that is finished. What we're going to do is to shear it out and make you see exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about with this lovely, 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 lovely stir-fry veg at home. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically basically, as I said, the veg is finished, and all I need to do is this. Simple. Give it a lovely shear out like this, guys. Look at this. I want to say this is fantastic. Look at this heat which is coming from the veg. All right, and you're gonna see what Chef Ricardo gonna be doing at the moment. Sun-dried tomato is olive oil inside of it, so it's really good and healthy. And as I said, do not overcook the veg them too much. You know what I mean? Because you want to have a nice, lovely chunk to the veg. Get some of that red pepper and onion and red onion on top of it, just like this. Look at that. Oh my god, this is fantastic. This is amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo on the team. Alright, but doesn't finish as yet. We just want to simply show you exactly what's going on. I have one more boiled egg leaf, and I'm gonna simply cut it off. A lot of people doesn't know that egg is really good for you if you want to lose weight. So basically, I'm just gonna simply pop, you know what I mean, just like the egg like this on top of it, just like that. That's gonna give it a lovely color and a nice lovely taste. And all you need to do, pop a little bit of pepper on the egg like that. And we can simply do, I got some nice lovely fresh parsley. I got some fresh parsley right here, and all I need to do is just pop a little bit of fresh parsley just like this, and probably put a little bit of fresh basil on it just like this, just to give it a lovely flavor and a nice lovely color. But basically, guys, that's exactly what I want to say to you. You can put that on your table, the family and everyone can just take something from it. Very nice and easy and simple recipe, and that's from Chef Ricardo on the team. So guys, anyway, stay tuned. We got a lot more ideas, a lot more recipe like this, and I just did it this kind of way, you know what I mean. If you're doing it for the family, you can simply put it on the table and the family will enjoy this recipe. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team. Stay tuned. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe. Stir-fry vegetable with egg served on top of it is an amazing recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.